another package. Alright, let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have something from armynavysales. So it'll be armynavysales.com. Feel free to check them out. They have a large variety of items on their website. Again, Army Navy Sales. So let's get you out of the way. Thank you. Go ahead and open this up. Do I have the opening instrument? Okay, pretty good tape job. Alrighty. Oh, and they even put a little piece of cardboard so you don't damage the items when you open it. And we do have a manifest. Let's go ahead and open this up. Oh, nice. So, their manifest, the way their style is, they also included little helpful pictures of the items as well. So let's see if we can go through this in order and see if it even matches up with how they listed it. So, oh, look at that. Cool. This is a GI Night Desert Parka, size large. So let's get the box out of the way so we got a little bit more room to work with. So right away I can see the hood here. We got drawstring, and it is buttoned up. Let's undo the buttons. Got 1, 2, 3, 4. A lot of buttons here, and 5. So the buttons don't go all the way to the bottom, but then as we're at the bottom, another drawstring. Looks like we might have missed another one. 6. So I got to count 6 buttons, I believe. So starting at the top, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, Dad, you can't count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Unless there's another one I missed. Maybe it was an internal. Well, we do have buttons on the inside to button the liner. Quite a lot of buttons there. 2 on the collar, 2 on the shoulders, and then they go further down. Alright, so here's take a quick look at the label. Care instructions, NATO, stock numbers. Again, there's our hood. It's attached. No real tuck away points or anything like that. What am I feeling here? Okay, so there is a pass-through area right here that's buttoned. 2 buttons. So you can reach your internals. Likewise on this side. So we've got a symmetrical pass-through flap on both sides with 2 buttons each. Let's see, here's our elastic at the waist, no drawstring right there to cinch up your waist area, and I don't see any other internal flaps or pockets. We go back to the outside. We have elasticized cuffs and no other external pockets that I see besides the pass-through flaps. If we look at the back, you can see our night desert pattern. Pretty straightforward. Seam down the back. And kind of a tapered sleeve. You can see it's kind of bellowed there on the upper arms, and it tapers down to the lower arms. So again, GI Night Desert Parka. Let's set that off to the side here. Next up is, okay, so now we're out of order here. We have an Italian San Marco Camo Paratrooper jacket hood. You can see that in the San Marco pattern. Button flap there. Button attachments at the neck and drawstring, which would then lead us to, let's just some fluff. A Italian San Marco Camo Paratrooper jacket. So it comes with the stars on the collar, and this comes with, come on, a snap collar. Okay, and it snaps up the front. So let's see. Something missing there. Does it? Oh, okay, so this is going to be repairable. There's the other snap, so not too bad. Looks like a little bit of oxidation on the lower snap. You just brush that off, cleaning brush. So we got 1, 2, if you count the hole, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 snap points. There's a collar with all the buttons to button the hood on. Shirt style collar, epaulettes of buttons, both shoulders intact. Feels like pretty padded sleeves here. We also got elasticized cuffs. Yep. Padded elbow. Pretty thick. Both sides. There's the other pad right there. Nothing on the shoulders patch-wise. Pockets. This might need a little bit of repair too. So it's a snap is missing there. And then we have a button here. Interesting. I'm not sure what would button onto that. Maybe somebody can comment on that. Here we have 2 intact snaps and no button there. So maybe that's just an extra button. Interesting. Okay, elasticized hem at the bottom there. So we have just the 2 top pockets, no lower pockets. Again, nothing on the sleeves, although we do have the reinforced elbows, elasticized cuffs, no buttons or snaps there. We turn it over on the back. We have some grommets you can see in the pit area. 3 grommets, 2 in a triangular formation, like that. Both sides, you can see the seam down the back, and here's our elasticized area. I don't think there's any. Well, there might be a drawstring in here. It's kind of recessed, so I have to work. Yeah, I can feel the knot. So there is a drawstring at the waist, but it's kind of retracted itself. That has to be pulled out. Pretty easy to do. Yeah, same on this side. There's actually a drawstring in there somewhere. I can feel the knot right there. Okay. So kind of an interesting item that's going to take a little bit of care to bring back into shape a little bit. No biggie. So I'll pair up with the hood. And then to round it all out, we'll go back to revisit some Night Desert pants. So, let's see, got drawstring, Velcro fly. Let's check out the tag. So these are kind of like overpants. We do have flap for pass-through area to get to your internal trousers. Another one on this side, so that's symmetrical. Basic legs, drawstrings, Got the hems, basic knees, no padding there. A little bit of tapering. You see a tapering stitching right there. We turn it over on the back. We do have 2 pockets on the back, single Velcro point, and the bottoms don't look reinforced, and it does look like we have a cargo pocket, also Velcro. Yep, cargo pocket. That side, and do we have one? Yep, cargo pocket symmetrical on the other side. So, backtracking, we got our night desert pants. From the start, we had our GI night desert parka, kind of set there now, and then in between we have our Italian San Marco camo Paratrooper jacket and hood. So these all came from armynavysales. Feel free to check them out. Large variety of items on their store website. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on vintage, milsurp, and other tool type items. We also have a selection of book review, media reviews, and we also do curios for the curious, videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.